want to record your screen but don't want to install any screen recorder, or just recording your screen once so you can record it without installing any screen recorder, because Windows has an pre-installed screen recorder. You can just launch it by Windows plus G, which launch the Windows game bar. This is used to record game, but you can record any of the window that you want. Here are the different options, you can explore them. And if you don't want to use Windows game bar as it creates heavy file, you can launch your PowerPoint. Click on blank presentation, go to insert, screen recording, select the area, then start recording. It will start recording in 3 seconds, and then any record anything, then go to PowerPoint, hover over and stop the recording, so it will appear here. And save media as, I'll save it in my D drive as media 1. Then we can see here. So here is the solution for your screen recording trouble.